at the mall because someone gave me the urge to go to Flying Tiger. I'm taking you with me.
I'm gonna do a voiceover for the tour of Flying Tiger because there was a lot of noise and there was a lot of music and I couldn't talk really loud. So here we are at the entrance of the store. It's in the mall. It's a relatively small store, but they have a huge variety of products. And the reason why I felt an urge to go there is because this morning I watched Reggie from J-Hook Crochet unpack an online order she made at Flying Tigers, and she had fantastic yarn and accessories. So I want to see if my local Flying Tiger has some of that beautiful, beautiful wool and yarn. So I'm gonna enter the store, and I hope I'm not gonna make you nauseous with moving too much. I did my best. This is the first time I'm trying to do this, so here we go. We're gonna start with all the Christmas stuff. They have a wonderful range of Christmas wrappings, boxes, also small gifts, stocking fillers. Um, it's it, it's for me. It's the best place to go for Christmas. I didn't mention Flying Tiger is a Danish store. It's from Copenhagen, and I think they have stores worldwide. Now look at that. There's just anything. These are small presents and decorations. I love these little wreaths with the berries. It's so cute. And then look at the ceramic Christmas trees. How adorable. Yeah, can't resist. Need to get. Advent calendars. Beautiful baubles from the most classic to the more kitschy ones. And then this is the Christmas craft section with baubles and hangers that you can paint yourself. Ooh, beautiful stickers. Got to get me some of those. Look, there's garlands and flags and bunting and ooh, metal acrylic markers. I could have used those a few days ago, so yep, I'm gonna grab me some. Wooden labels, and well, you could also hang them in the Christmas tree, decorate them and hang them in the Christmas tree. Such fun things. Good things come in small packages with large labels. Craft labels and bags and ribbons all matching. If you're anything like me, whenever I want them during the year, I can't find any. But at Christmas time, you can find them anywhere, and then I just don't buy them because, yeah, I'm silly that way. Look at that. I love that. It's a garland with Christmas lights to put in a beard. It's so funny. So funny. Funny earrings, Christmas baubles, and uh, bow ties, and silly glasses, and mustaches, and Sudoku toilet paper. How about the perfect uh, gift for a secret Santa? Now, this is the beginning of the craft section, and I see beads. These would work well for my chain stitch necklace. And here I find bamboo knitting needles, but no yarn. More beads, all kinds of stuff. And then, look, I found the yarn. That's all the yarn they have. Little balls of cotton. Beautiful colors, but not what I was hoping to find. I talked to someone, to the cashier, and I asked her about the yarn, but they only sell it online. And well, yeah, that was a bummer, but I guess I know what to do to get the beautiful yarn balls and the beautiful yarn and wool. I'm gonna have to go and look online Anyhow, this is not a lost trip because I just love browsing that store. I'm almost at the end and I just gonna grab some spices. That's my last thing I needed. Look at the beautiful water bottles and glassware, some kitchen supplies, cookie cutters. So I hope you enjoyed visiting Flying Tigers with me. I got a bag full of goodies and I blame Reggie. And incidentally, speaking of Reggie, here's one of our favorite stores. It's Yves Rocher. It's a French store. Oops, almost got that woman in the on the shot. It's a French store that sells beauty products. I love their products. They're awesome, but I also love their packaging. Always look great. And that is my awesome craft store. And that is a chain of yarn and fiber supply store. Look at that. They have so much. My section is here. It's the yarn. They have Katya. They have Scheepjes. And I love this one. It's beautiful. This cotton is so soft. Can't believe it. This is their store brand, which is also really good. Ooh, sock yarns. Look at the colors. So pretty. Christmas socks. And this is a thicker one. Oh, look at that. Pretty. It's on sale. Oh, beautiful. This is an acrylic sock yarn. Self-striped blue faux fur. Nice. This Scheepjes color crafter. Oh, chunky yarn. Oh, Jarbo. Good yarn this one. Look at that. So pretty. And embroidery. Bunch needles. Smyrna. Oh. Look at that. Very soft. Macrame yarn. Books. I found some more yarn. Tweed. We love tweed. So pretty. I don't know, this brand is Rico. I don't know it. It appears to be German. Very pretty. Love this. Oh, this is amazing. This is my colors: purple, orange, teal, aqua. That's me. Very, very pretty colors. But I have to be good because Friday I'm going to the craft fair with Reggie. I have to be a good girl. Ah, the ponies. I've never tried them. I would like to try them. But it's 30 euros for a set. I wonder if they sell them separately. This is also a nice set. Circular needle set. Books. Look at this log. So cute. What? Even more yarn. Rikorumi. It's a special yarn for amigurumi. Look at all the colors. And they have beautiful sets. Sets of 20. Amazing. Oh, stonewashed. I love stonewashed. Oh, look at these. That's my jam. Oh, that's a narwhal set. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Uh-oh. I'm gonna have to buy one, I'm afraid. No, I can't. I can't. But look at the sets, they're so cute. So cute, look at the yarn. Amazing. Amazing. Pattern books. Grandma, granddad. Aww. So cute. Okay, let me share with you what I bought. I love this bag. Look at that. Their tote bags are fantastic. They're absolutely fantastic. They only cost €1. And I use them as project bags. Okay, what did I get? Okay, I got a receipt. JD is also helping me unbag. Okay, I got a headphone for my phone and a jack to 8 pin adapter. Well, actually it's a 8 pin on one side and jack on the other side, which is something I really need. Okay, I got this cute little Christmas tree. I couldn't resist. It was too cute. That was only €1, by the way. I got a few more tote bags. Love
is so this season. And hearts. I like I said, I love their tote bags. Okay, what else do we have? One of these very handy storage units. I use them all the time for beads, and you can stack them as much as you want. Then I got some bells because I made this cute little mousie and she needs a bell on her cushion. And okay, I got a whole bag. Well, I only needed one, but hey, I can always use them. Then I got smoked paprika powder. I got two because last time they were out. I got cute stickers. I've got silly Christmas glasses. I've got knitting needles. I really want to try their bamboo knitting needles. They feel really soft. I've got some spray bottles. I've got a new cover for my phone, and I love that it's made out of recycled plastic. I adore that. I've got this really cool set of metallic markers. And that's it. And all of that for less than 50 euros. Isn't that cool?
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little trip together, and let me know what you thought in the comments. See you next time. Bye bye.